Welcome. Today, we're delving into Ambarella, a leading developer of low-power, high-definition video compression and image processing solutions. The company's products are used in a variety of human and computer vision applications, including security cameras, sports cameras, and automotive cameras. They are a key player in the semiconductor industry, providing solutions that enable the capture, sharing, and display of compelling visual experiences. Ambarella's technology stands out due to its high performance and low power consumption. Their chips are capable of encoding multiple video streams while consuming minimal power, making them ideal for battery-powered devices. They also support a wide range of video input and output formats, including 4K Ultra HD. Another standout feature is their ability to perform advanced image processing tasks, such as object detection and tracking, making them suitable for AI applications. Pricing for Ambarella's products varies based on the specific product and quantity ordered. In general, their high-performance video processing chips can range from tens to hundreds of dollars per unit. However, they do offer volume discounts for large orders, making them a cost-effective choice for manufacturers of cameras and other devices. For exact pricing, it's best to contact Ambarella directly or an authorized distributor. Ambarella's chips are ideal for any application that requires high-quality video capture and processing. This includes security cameras, where their low power consumption and high performance make them an excellent choice. They're also a great fit for sports and action cameras, thanks to their ability to handle high-speed video. Additionally, their advanced image processing capabilities make them suitable for AI applications, such as autonomous vehicles and drones. Ambarella offers several distinct advantages. Their chips offer industry-leading performance, enabling high-quality video capture and processing. They're also incredibly power efficient, making them ideal for battery-powered devices. Furthermore, their support for advanced image processing tasks makes them versatile and future-proof. Finally, their wide range of supported video formats ensures compatibility with a variety of devices and applications. Despite its many strengths, Ambarella isn't without its limitations. Their products are relatively expensive, which can be a barrier for some customers. Additionally, while they support a wide range of video formats, not all formats are supported equally well. Lastly, while their chips are highly capable, they require considerable technical expertise to use effectively, which can be a challenge for some users. In conclusion, Ambarella is a powerful player in the video processing industry, offering high-performance, power-efficient chips that support a range of video formats and advanced image processing tasks. While their products are somewhat expensive and require technical expertise to use effectively, their benefits are substantial. For applications that require high-quality video capture and processing, Ambarella is a strong choice. Thank you for watching our analysis of Ambarella. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech analysis. See you in the next video.